how to video record on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can record a video on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To video record on your iPhone, you don't need to download any third-party apps. By default, the built-in recorder in the iPhone is hidden. In order to make it visible, what you have to do is first open up the settings of your iPhone. Then you have to look for the control center and tap on it. Then just look for screen recording and tap on this plus sign. And your screen recorder will be visible. Now, in order to start your screen recording, what you have to do is open the control center. Then tap on the record button and your iPhone will begin recording. You'll know that your screen is recording when you see a red timer on the top left corner of your screen. To end the recording, you have to just open up your control center and tap on the record button again. You can also change the video settings by tapping and holding the record button. To record your voice as well, make sure the microphone button is red. In order to see your recordings, you have to just open the Photos app and in the recent folder, you will be able to see your recordings. So that's how you can video record on iPhone. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.